Welcome to WOW.TRADERS. I'm starting an introduction class for trading. In my trading channel, I'll be explaining you about basic concepts about trading, how to go for option trading, everything related to trading. My first topic for today will be the best trading apps for your option trading, which is useful, what are its drawbacks, what are the charges, everything in detail I'll be explaining in this video. Top trading app. First, I would like to speak about PayTM Money. PayTM Money is a SEBI registered stock brokerage. It has recently come into picture, and it is similar. The settings of the app is similar to PayTM app. What you use for phone, online transaction. How about its process and what is its charges? See, in Android it has been rated as 4.5 and iOS it is 4. So all the apps are more friendly in Android when compared to iOS. And it has free equity trading, zero commission on direct mutual funds, maximum brokerage in this PayTM Money is 15 rupees per trade and zero maintenance charge. Opening account is also digitally completely, and there is free analysis tools given to you to analyze your own mistakes, and it is very simple to use platform, and you have a great customer support from PayTM. Next is zerodha Kite. It is also only rated 5 stars. In Android it is also 4.3 and iOS so it is very less, it is 3.2. It is very difficult to handle the zerodha Kite in laptops and desktops. It is very friendly usage in Android reading, and it has very super fast buying and selling of stocks. Large number of both local and international stocks are listed in zerodha. Okay, and when it comes to charges, it is 20 rupees charge per execution of order in intraday. So there is no brokerage charges across any investment. And one more drawback in zerodha Kite is there is no mutual fund options in the zerodha. And trading can be done even with a weak internet connection. You don't need to have a high speed internet connections when it comes to zerodha. Now it is Angel One app, which I am also using in specifically. Angel One has been overall it is rated 4.85, and in Android it is very friendly to use. It is being getting updated and user friendly, and it is 4.2 rated, and iOS is rated as 3.6. It is also having the same problem as zerodha. It is very difficult to trade towards the laptop and desktops, and it is the more number of app downloaded in option trading. Over 1 crores of people have downloaded the app on their Android phone. It has a very quick selling and buying option as similar to zerodha. It is user friendly, and it also has good customer service interaction, and mutual fund investment option is available in Angel Broker, and you can also go for pre-IPO upcoming investment, like there is an option to invest in upcoming IPO prior, so you don't need to struggle on the day of opening. Before itself you can update in your Android app or in iOS app that I am bidding for this IPO. And when it comes to charges, this is also charged rupees 20 across all commodities, forex, option trading, future, anything it has. But the only drawback is it doesn't have e-wallet support. Electronic wallet supports are not available in this, and it does not copy trading features, does not have a copy trading features, like you can't copy the trading movement which will be helpful to analyze your mistakes. Those option is not available in the Angel One, but I am using Angel One. It is very useful for me, and I have a reasonable charges paid for on it. Next is Upstox app. It is rated overall as 4.8 and Android it is 4.3 and iOS it is 4.1. It allows for instant investing, and it has n number of price alerts to get in instant updates. You can in option trading you can mark for n number of value alerts. It gives you n number of value alerts, and you can also set the limit for after market orders. See, if you are buying for tomorrow, you have an option not trading, but you have hold it. You can set the limit for tomorrow, today evening itself, so that when the market suddenly opens to that certain value if the market is, it just sells automatically. The only drawback in this Upstox Trading Pro is we can't invest in IPOs and FPOs using this app. Next comes Groww app. It is overall rated as 4.6 stars, and ISO rating is 4.4 and Android rating is 4.6. Its specialty is it is perfect for beginners to know more about option trading. It is perfect for them. It allows you to open a free Groww demat account. No commission on mutual funds in this. It is also user friendly, and you can place any order with a single click. All the apps are the same thing, but it is too friendly, and it was the first app which made you user friendly for the option traders. There is no charges for opening an account or to maintain it. What are the charges for equity intraday equity delivery trade is 20 rupees, and it does not support NRI account. You should be Indian, and charges for calls and trade per order is very high. Okay, when compared to other charges on call trade and put trade value, it is very high when compared to others. There are many other trading apps, but these are the 5 top user friendly and reasonable charges, and it is easily accessible for all of them. This is no promotional video or anything. Please be free to share your comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, like, share and comment.